Alicia and Josh here from TerraDrift with Ignik and the shiny new FireCan Deluxe.
The brand's freshest piece of gear that invites you to stay fueled, fed, and fired up as you grill and chill trailside.
Yep, the FireCan Deluxe is an easy to use source of sustainable heat whether you're camping, van lifing, or kicking it in the backyard.
But it's more than just a plug and play fire pit. Now, thanks to an upgrade to the beloved original FireCan, it's also a grill.
So you can stay nice and cozy on chilly evenings outdoors, but also whip up some grilled peppers, veggie burgers, or hot dogs.
It's everything you love about the original FireCan. A small, packable, easy to set up campfire that you can take with you and use everywhere you go, from vehicle-based adventures to intimate outdoor gatherings, all without having to worry about firewood, batteries, or smoke.
But it also offers plenty of upgrades on the original, like a durable new stainless steel exterior, a completely removable lid, and the headlining feature, Grill Mode, complete with grill insert and a new dual burner design.
Yup, the new Deluxe now has one more burner and two dedicated ports instead of one. One for fire pit mode and another for grill mode.
Why two ports and separate burners? Well, the two burner tubes on the edges are very similar to those on the original FireCan and pump more gas through, creating tall, warm, yellow flames when in fire pit mode.
But since yellow flame isn't ideal for cooking, another burner was added to the Deluxe to create a low blue flame, much like in a traditional propane barbecue grill. This allows you to cook your dinner without all the soot and propane residue.
That additional burner is also why you can't just purchase the grill insert separately to use in your original FireCan. The original only creates a nice tall yellow flame, perfect for keeping you cozy, but again, not good for cooking.
The good news is that if you're already familiar with the original, the Deluxe works very similarly. Just use the quick connect ports to hook up an Ignik gas growler or any other refillable propane source and you're good to go.
Two pieces of gear for the price of one.
Also, you can enjoy more heat with less waste and stay out longer, no matter where you're headed.